Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to delete TikTok watch history. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open your TikTok. So friends, TikTok I open ready. Click here and here you select this dot and click to search. So friends, when I click to search, this interface open ready. Here have option view your watch history. Click here. And friends, here you can see all your watch history. If you want delete, so just click here select and select all your watch history. Click here and click to delete. Click here. So friends, all watch history delete ready. Very simple or easy. You also can delete your TikTok watch history. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.